Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about logarithmic equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here, ln A plus ln B equals to ln of A multiplied by B. So we apply this formula for this one in here. So this one we will have about ln of s multiplied by s minus 4 equals to ln of 7s. Because we have the same base in here, so we can simplify and we can write into s multiplied by s minus 4 equal to 7s. This one we can find the solution of s in here. S multiplied by s and s multiplied by negative number 4. We have s squared minus 4s. This one we put on the left. So we have s squared minus 11s equal to number 0. We have s and s, we can do about factorization. And now we have two solutions. That's about s equal to number 0 and s minus 11 equal to number 0. So this one we have s equal to number 11. We know that if we put s equal to number 0 in here, you got about ln of number 0. ln of number 0, we don't have the solution in here because the value of number 0, if we put in here, you don't have the value of ln. So this way we need to reject about s equal to number 0, and this one we need to accept about s equal to number 11, because if we put number 11 go here, and here, we see that this one you got about positive number, this one you got about positive and positive number, and we need to accept about s equal to number 11, and the final answer is should be about 11. This is the end. Thank you for watching.